Welcome to JWR Academy. Today we are discussing the example based on order of operation. Here you can see, can you solve this type of example? If you are not solving this type of example, please watch this complete video. Now in this video, first we simplify the exponent 3 power 2. It means 3 multiply 3 and we get the answer is 9. Okay, so here we write the 9 divide by 3 minus 2. So now in this example only two arithmetic operation remaining, division and subtraction. So first we simplify the division. 9 divide 3, it means 3 and minus 2. Okay, so 3 minus 2 is 1. So 1 is the final answer of this question. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for next interesting video on BODMAS. Thanks for watching.